Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to talk about another Shopify new theme. Recently Shopify published a 10 new theme for Shopify users, and they have added advanced and updated features like premium features on their Shopify free theme. And I'm going to explore, show you everything, and today we are going to discuss about one of them and show you its featured also benefit, and should you use this theme for your online store or should you upgrade your store with this theme. So this tutorials will be very helpful if you have started your online business with Shopify, also if you want to become a Shopify developer or you want to learn Shopify. So let's get started. Right now I am on the Shopify theme directory and click on the all themes and select free theme, and you can see all the free new theme in here. And we have already uploaded video about Savor theme, Fabric, Thinker and Wrestle, and today in this video we are going to discuss about Doyel theme. So open this theme on another tab. So this is the Doyel theme, and this is one of the theme that recently published at Shopify on their directory, and it's totally free. Create a warm, inviting online space where customers love to sell. At a first glance or at a first look, I can easily understand this theme is best for fashion or home decor product. It will be perfect for winter season product, but we can use it as our requirement. This is just a perfect combination. So first we are going to open the demo store. So click on the view demo, then we will discuss about its main features and the benefit. Also I will provide my own review as a Shopify developer. So go to the preview. Wow, looks good. They have added nice design. Wow, looks good. They have added header top section. Let me open light shot. Okay, then also added center logo. It looks like a little bit same as DOM theme, but let me find out is there different anything. In the left side they have added search option. It was previous on the DOM theme, so I think it's not any different so far, but I'm going to click on it to check it is there any advanced test. So click on it, the search icon. Wow, you see they have added advanced search option with pop-up box. So I'm going to search or type round Ajax search option. Very professional. Okay, so that's mean this is more advanced test than previous all free theme. Then check out the mega menu. Wow, they have added nice mega menu. Then banner and text editor section, product section with hover effect. And another things we noticed that they have added professional cart icon. So click on the add to cart. Wow, when I click on the add to cart, a pop-up quick add to cart box open. From here we can select size, color. Yes, wow, looks good. And we can add to cart or quick buy. So click on the add to cart, product added on the cart. Okay, also scroll down, there is another option like image with text, and it's totally different. The collection section, the layout is totally different and professional. Okay, and this one also. And finally the footer make unique by their typography and color combination. Now we are going to any product page. So click on it. Wow, they have added nice product image selector in here, or product slider in the product page. Also there have a carousel icon, looks good. And Overall it looks more clean and neat, and their typography so really good. And of course it's advanced design than any previous free Shopify theme, and I recommend to use this theme if your business niche same as fashion or home decor item, then you can select this theme. Especially we will get some advantages or featured in here. So now we are going to back up the details and scroll down. Warm that welcome, the focus on the footer section really looks good. Intensity product discovery, the product page, go to the product page, then we can understand better. Wow, the product page is totally different than any previous product page. They have added multiple filter option like availability, in stock, out of stock, price range, color chooser, categories, also view option. You see, wow, looks very nice and professional. Okay, then from horizon collection, that's mean there are also it's come from horizon collection. Okay, and finally the pchart, as usual the use or said quick setup. So if you want to quickly set up this theme, then you can use this theme. And cart and checkout page, they have added in stock pickup, pre-order, site out cart. In the marketing, they have added promo banner, stock counter, and cross selling, very important featured. Also in menu promo quick view, customizable contact from. And merchandise section, they focus on animation, image rule, our product options, slideshow, color chooser, product video. This is very important things. And product discovery, enhanced search, they have added advanced search option, infinitive scroll, and mega menu with choice file. So overall I recommend use this theme because this is new theme. They have added all the advanced features and it's fully responsive. This is another important things for any Shopify store. You must have to use responsive themes because most of Shopify store make sales from mobile, so you must have to focus on that, and they have added the responsiveness on their theme. So my overall opinion is to you can try this theme to upgrade your store, and I have already published a video how to use this theme, how to create a store using this theme, same as demo, also how to customize. And in the upcoming video I'll show you how to develop any part. If you feel that it should be developed or it should be add, then we will show you in our video. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.